names containing invalid characters must sanitized when creating the corresponding attributes. Does that mean the tag works?
Was she just the book the whole time?
That means the tag works. But when it creates attributes, it doesn't like dots, I guess. But in the older version of this, it doesn't have that issue, even though it follows the same format. So I guess like my question would be,
My name is Karen.
her name.
Hello.
So you feel free to talk to her. Oh,
No, you must not talk to me. Well, your name's not Karen, so I mean, I can see how
name's not Karen.
to be precise.
And I'm not a her either. So that solves that. Get active data, tag, tunnel wall, out, and then this one gives me a warning. One or more tags named containing valid characters must have been created the corresponding attributes. So that might mean, so what? Talk directly to the queen, but that's illegal and punishable by death. Oh, she's gone. Queen's gone. That chair really does sound like Karen. Ignore self and children, get single point, merge point data. Track actors only within bounds, advanced, and then silence sanitized attributes. Enable debug extensive. Okay, so all of that should be fine. There is no other like debug that's been turned on. It's just, yeah. I guess like it's creating attributes. It thinks that it's creating attributes. So like get active data. So PCJ to graph node to PC compatible data from the selected actors. Yeah, so I don't see what the issue is. And I don't see what the problem is here. Bum Bum was having a struggle walking in Zomboid. She has to drive. Zomboid's the only game that Karen actually like wants to drive in. So, all right, I don't know what I'm doing. I think that's strongly suggested that I don't know what I'm doing. So transform points and then static mesh spawner. So static mesh spawner. And then we debug static mesh spawner. So like all of our other debugs are off. Okay. So why everyone has to drive? Gotta learn to drive. There's no road rules, it's fine. You don't have to indicate or anything.